Hey everybody, it's Kenny Landrum over at Toyota Bowling Green, and have I got a great looking vehicle for you. This is a 2018, watch this, 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD. This is the off-road edition. Now, you are probably thinking, did he make a mistake and say 2018? Yes, this is a 2018 Toyota TRD off-road 4Runner. Leather seats, TRD right there, as you can see, embroidered in the headrest there. 1,374 miles. Yes, I said 1,374 miles. Take a look at the display screen here. HD radio, XM radio, backup camera there. It's got the nice TRD grip here for moving your gear. Let's take a look at the back there. Look there. Second row, leather seats, sunroof up here. You can see that right there. This is an awesome vehicle, and it's only at Toyota Bowling Green on the corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road. Let's take another look on the outside of it. So I want to say it again, 2018 TRD, look at here, off-road in this pretty white color. Tow hitch, it's got it all, guys. I'm going to open up the back hatch here. Look at here. Got the floor mats that have never been taken out of the plastic here, and it also has the all-weather cargo liner here, and it's got the all-weather floor mats up front. So come and see me, Kenny Landrum, at Toyota of Bowling Green, only on the corner of Lovers Lane and Scottsville Road, 270-779-2819. Be the one to take this one home. 2018, guys, 1,374 miles. Talk to you soon.